Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can change your username on Snapchat. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Before getting started, make sure to update your Snapchat application to the latest version. And also make sure to check your internet connection. So then logged into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged into your Snapchat account, this is what the interface is going to look like. Now on this interface, you need to click on your profile icon or the Bitmoji in the top left corner of your screen. As you click on your Bitmoji, next interface will be directed to your profile page, and in the right hand side corner there is a gear icon where you need to click on it. You'll be directed to settings page, and under it there are multiple options, and you need to click on username in order to change it. So next interface, you'll be able to see a recent username, and in order to change it, you need to click on change username, which is under your username. So when the pop-up appears, if you haven't changed your username for last 12 months, then you'll be able to tap on continue, which means that you'll only be able to change your username once in a year. So in order to proceed on, tap on continue. So type in the username that you want to change it with, and then click on next. In order to verify your identity, you need to type in your username that you recently created, and then you need to enter the password. Once you're done, tap on continue. And if you have provided the correct information, you have successfully changed your username. So that is how you can change your username on Snapchat. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.